it's not good morning, it's good afternoon. It's about 4:30, but we are in the van. Hello.
Hello.
And we are heading to Clermont-Ferrand because the helpers are arriving. They are on the train and we're about to go pick them up in Clermont-Ferrand and then drive with them back to Everdeen. So it's very exciting. There are so many changes. The whole second floor of the house is like completely different. Their room is going to be completely different. The kitchen, everything's completely different. They're going to be so surprised when they see all of the renovations that have been done since they were here. It's crazy. They're going to be so surprised. They're going to be so, I can't wait to see their reactions. It's going to be so funny.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you. I didn't go over there and sing with them. We could just stay and have a party.
Oh, yeah. I'll go in and say hi.
Well, look who's in the car. We've collected them. Hey, tourist.
Would you look at that?
Are you happy to be back?
Yes.
Yes.
Boy.
And we're seeing things we've never seen before on this road trip.
Yeah.
Yes.
You've never traveled this way in the car, have you?
And the mountains are beautiful.
Yay. There's a lot of chateaus.
Yes, and a lot of chateaus.
Yeah.
And a lot of churches, a lot of cathedrals.
Dad, are you trying to stick your head out the window like a dog?
Look at all of that. We don't have nothing like that back home. Way.
Yay, don't step on my bushes. You just got out of the car and immediately stepped on a bush. I had to bring those here on my
It looks
bike.
so great, and look, the roof is up. We got a little bit of gutter
Oh yeah,
fix
you
to do there.
haven't seen the roof
No,
even. Well, come
no,
see the roof.
We've got a little gutter fix to do right there, I see.
This terrace is messier than it normally is. I want a disclaimer.
Oh wow, the car's nice. I like the car.
Do you want to open the car and have a look? Here. Here. Key.
Oh, okay.
This is a vintage car. It does not have a push button. Oh.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's very nice.
Isn't it nice?
It's beautiful.
I like it.
That's right. Here, I'll show you.
Laurent did that yesterday and he made himself sick.
I tried
Yeah.
it one time before.
And then he walked around for about 20 minutes looking sad and saying, I feel bad.
Did it turn upside down?
No.
Okay. I want to try that. It looks just great. Oh, look at the
Come
beam.
see the car.
Oh, the
Did
beam
you
is
see the
fantastic.
gear shift in the car?
Oh, it's a regular, it's a hand, it's up on the side gear shift.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
I've never seen
That's
a
the
beam
way all
this
of them used to be
expensive
years ago.
before.
Yeah, look at that beam. That beam is saying,
That's-
look at this. This is the great the way they did the extra joist.
They
In
did
boating,
that.
it's called sistering them in. And here, it
A little-
doubles them up. Man, that is some beam up there.
It's a little different than the last time you were here.
Yeah, fantastically different.
You don't fear for your
Fantastically
life when you walk.
It was a little precarious before.
Yep. No, it's great. This is wonderful.
He drives through your double doors.
I can see we got a lot of hauling to do.
That's what we threw out the window.
Oh, I'm so happy to be back.
Oh, yeah.
I like this house. This house feels good.
Diane,
Yes. Your hiking stick.
that was my hiking stick.
You
Okay.
can use
Look.
it tomorrow.
Do you want to look up?
Look up.
No, look up. No, not your stick.
A chandelier.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
We're keeping
A
it
chandelier.
down. That's one.
What
What
we
a
need is another
surprise.
chandelier. This is just what we need.
And-
One more chandelier.
Chandelier here.
Wait a minute, where's the chandelier for the garage?
It's coming.
No chandelier? This has to be taken care of. Oh my God, look at all the junk.
Hey.
It's gonna take a lot of hauling. We better buy a trailer, I think.
2 chandeliers. So we haven't gotten up the stairs yet.
Nicola, the neighbor, said that we could use his trailer if we want.
Who?
Oh,
Nicola.
Okay.
oh, good. Ooh, washer
And dryer.
and dryer.
That's
Oh,
Oh,
we have joined the 20th century.
luxury.
Oh.
Yay.
That's
Clean
great.
clothes. Dude.
All right, we go up. So nothing much has really changed in here since you left on the first floor, but the second floor is where changes have been made.
All right, here we go. I want to see the living room first. Do I
You
get
want to see the living room
choose?
first?
I
Yeah,
do.
you can go in first.
Oh, look.
Oh wow.
Oh, look.
That looks so nice. Oh, look at the door.
I love the color.
And the green paint came out really good. Oh, look at the couch in the audience.
This
Oh,
is
that little
nice
guy
here
came out wonderful.
because you moved the table.
Yeah.
And I love the way that the battery charger for the tube just fits right in and matches the
It's green.
It's green.
I don't know what you're complaining about. It's
I'm
green.
not complaining. It fits good.
Oh, that looks very comfy.
Oh, there's my little lookout.
The couch is very, very
Is it
comfy.
Let me
Yeah.
try it.
And then when you put your feet up on the ottoman, it's
Oh,
great.
I bet if I did that right now, you'd scream.
All right, let's see here. This is
Oh, you haven't even seen this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
How much that
Turn on the light.
How much better.
Turn on the
That's
light.
just unbelievable
Turn on the light.
compared to what that was.
Yeah.
Compared to what it
Oh,
was.
it's like walking into a jungle.
Yeah, but remember that when the toilet was over here where it was
Yes,
unuseful
and
and
you
this was a
couldn't
lot
close
of
the
junk
door.
out here? No, this is just great.
I actually think the small table is
I like
good
that.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
because it doesn't take.
But what we're going to do is we're going to build, to cover the pipes, we're going to
Yes.
build a little
little
wood
thingamabobber.
cabinet
Yeah,
to
yeah,
cover
sure.
it. Look at that beautiful plumbing.
I know.
Someone did some really nice plumbing work.
I can't wait to see the kitchen. I want to see the kitchen.
Wait.
Well,
Oh, that's a
this is
sink.
Well, you can see where the shower was, but it's mostly full of stuff. Do you want to see the kitchen next?
Yeah, I want to see the kitchen.
All right, Dad, come on.
it's just continuous, so if some water flows, it falls into some container.
Yeah, because that pipe is part of what we're working on in the other room. So look how excited you are.
Okay, we gotta get
Also,
that-
did you see the mural? You didn't see the mural yet.
Yes.
Oh, it came out beautiful.
Oh, it did come out well.
Beautiful.
Oh, that is so nice.
That is good.
Pretty.
Oh, and
Turn the light.
this? Was that little chandelier there? I remember
Nope,
that.
that's new.
Oh, that's new. I haven't seen that. I like
That's
the
also
blue.
new.
Yeah,
I like
that's
the
great.
blue.
All
Oh,
right,
we needed some chandeliers here.
all right, go on in.
All right.
Okay, you
We
first,
can
dear.
come in. Oh, look.
Oh,
The
that is
exposed
just
stick.
unreal. Oh, look
Oh,
at
my
this.
goodness.
Oh, my word.
Oh,
It
y'all
just has
did
all the
great.
difference in the world. And look at the
Oh,
stove.
look at it. What a totally different look. Table.
It's like you have a ladder for using the microwave, maybe? Or what's the
Oh,
difference?
can I open your
Was this-
cabinets? Can I
This
be
was behind the
nosy?
wall.
Yeah.
like
Yeah, it
this.
Oh, look.
Even with the nice
Wow.
little.
Yep, it was exactly like
Yeah.
that.
Ooh.
Isn't that wild?
Oh, it's great.
Huh.
That's the refrigerator.
Yeah, so there's going to be something that attaches the fridge door to the
Oh.
cabinet door, but we just haven't.
We forgot
Yeah,
that.
we didn't get that today.
Boy, that.
But maybe we
just-
can order it.
Yeah.
So is there more kitchen or is this it? You
This is
finished
it. Well, no.
Good. Okay, I didn't know.
Next,
that.
next up is we have to paint and finish covering and paint all the walls. And then this is going to get painted like off-white with a
Yeah.
nice color in the back. And then,
This just made a
yeah.
huge difference.
And also,
The drawer I broke.
those drawers have been broken since I came here.
No, I
Oh, we'll
broke
fix that.
And then also there'll be like a tile backsplash behind the stove and also here behind the sink.
That I love these cabinets.
What
That's
a
just came out
totally
so
different
nice.
look. This is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Even the proportion of the room looks different, and I
Okay,
can't
so then you've
figure
got
out
these little
why.
things you can
It looks
adjust up
wider.
and down the shelves.
Yeah.
With these little
Yeah.
holes, right?
Dad, do you want to open that the cabinet that's to your right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord! Look at this, Diane. Diane, come pull on that handle right there.
Oh, the drawer.
Open that.
Oh, it's the dishwasher.
Isn't that
Everything
amazing?
just looks like cabinets. I love that.
Mm-hmm.
How did you do that?
It comes like that. You can buy it like that, designed that way.
And this also,
Oh, it's the fridge.
that's a system that when you open
This is
the
really
cabinet,
aggressive,
that's
yeah.
a sliding rail
Right.
that
Yes.
will pull the
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Pretty
Yeah. Okay. So
impressive.
it grabs
like
it.
this.
and
Yeah,
And then
What
this
a
is
challenge.
for
freezer.
Oh, that's the freezer.
There's a bottle of Bailey's in there.
Oh, what a
Is it
challenge.
And I got
love
this for
this.
the fridge and the freezer is
This looks so
for free.
good.
Was like someone was.
Oh, this is what you picked up and brought?
what I picked up in Chartres. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you thought about
That's
doing
amazing.
like
And then
cooking
this stove.
utensils?
With this
Well,
stove,
what we're
was
gonna
that
do
part
is we're gonna get some lights,
Was this
Uh-huh.
stove-
LED lights, and put them on the bottom of the stairs, so then that will shine light in this little dark corner.
Yeah.
And then maybe cooking utensils too. And we bought today,
Precious.
I'll show you later, we bought today a thing where you can attach it to the bottom of these cabinets over here and hang wine glasses upside down underneath the cabinet.
Yeah, I've seen
And that would be
those.
pretty, like in a bar or something. Yeah.
Yeah, I love the little table here. That looks
And I went
good.
over there and said, we'll turn it down. I turned.
All right, the final room reveal.
Oh, that is unreal. Look at this thing.
Oh,
Oh, that is unreal. Who can believe this?
I can't
What a
tell it's
huge
the same
difference.
room.
The
It
boyfriend's
looks like
squished in the
it's- it looks like
corner.
It's 3 times as big. This is like those house makeover shows.
Yeah.
Oh, look what you've done to our house. That little white wood makes
It
all the
makes a
difference in the
huge
world,
difference. These are charming.
doesn't it? It really
Those are the drawings that I found in here.
We brought you more old pencil sketches.
Oh,
They're
really?
very old looking.
So we have
Great.
a job of
I
cutting
think
out
maybe they were Aunt Stella's.
Oh, great.
rectangles of wood to fill that.
Yeah.
And then we got to get that heating unit out of there.
That's
Yeah.
That old,
We removed the one that was in the kitchen already. And
yeah. I'm
Yeah.
talking about that furnace over the stairwell.
The chaudière,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
And gosh knows what it weighs. Oh, look at this, Diane. There's
can't.
Come here,
I
quick,
can
quick, quick,
almost
quick,
not
quick, quick.
blink
Look
this
who's out here.
Simba the cat out
Who's
there.
out here?
Hey Simba.
Is that Simba?
That's Simba.
Hey, Simba.
Hi, Simba.
Get it, get it, get it.
Simba.
He's busy licking himself. Hey, Simba.
It's your neighbor.
Are you happy?
There's the most beautiful
I'm
view.
happy.
What do you think of the changes?
It's just amazing.
Gorgeous.
It's just, but it makes
totally
it's much more than just redecorating. It just changes the entire feel of it, and it feels like a much bigger place and a much lighter place.
And it's probably brought the house back to what it was at one time.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Yep.
What's the biggest difference to just the feel, or like,
The
is there
feeling of
one room
light
that
and
you think is the
openness,
most
I think,
different?
for me? What do you think?
Is there one room that you think is most
The
different?
feeling of light and openness for
Yeah.
me. I think the kitchen and this room both feel completely
I think
different.
This is my favorite room, even though I love the kitchen and I love the living room. This is a beautiful room. It's so restful.
Yeah, it really is. It really
Was
is.
this one of the watercolors you found?
No, that's one that I bought that in Paris, and it's a watercolor of Pierrefonds, which is a town with a really nice chateau, about an hour north of Paris. So that's the only art that I've brought here from Paris.
I love these little
I love the
drawings
frame.
too.
Those are the ones that I found in the
no,
drawer
that's what
here.
you
Yeah,
said, What about that one right there?
that's the same. And then these, I'm going to put in English and in French. I'm going to put a little paragraph talking about how I found them.
Oh, that's
and
great. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
That's a great idea.
yeah.
Well, it's totally different, but greatly
is.
improved because it really brings out, I think, the personality of the house, and it just opens it up and makes it so much more light and accessible.
Part of it is taking that second wardrobe out because it did
Yeah.
fit into the room.
It was very dark,
Yeah.
and yeah.
But it's
Sewing machine
amazing
was nice
the
too.
difference I see there's one more piece of wood.
Yeah,
there.
we need to get rid of that.
It's amazing the difference these little pieces of wood make.
It was
Amazing.
awful putting them in place.
I bet.
It was off. This room is so curved and
yeah.
so far away from square.
Well,
It is.
you can look at the walls and
Didn't
see the
have a
curve.
miter box then.
No, I did. I bought it for this project. Yeah, yeah.
You know why the wall's curved. These walls are much thicker at ground level than they are at the top of the wall.
Yeah, but also, like, if you look at this wall from the side,
Oh yeah.
it is
It's had
ridiculous.
220 years to settle.
It
That's
is.
why.
Yeah.
Where'd you find that little mirror?
I found that in Paris.
I like that.
Yeah, I brought that down on the train.
Yeah, it's had 220 years to sit here, and houses do settle, particularly when they weigh tons and tons and tons. You think of what this house weighs with those rock walls, which I measured, which are 34 inches,
Yeah.
which is what, about 80 centimeters thick at the ground. And how much that wall weighs compared to the kind of houses we have in the U.S. that are just wood stud walls that thick.
Hollow.
Yeah, hollow wood, yeah, what this house weighs.
I want to go back in the living room and see if I have that sense that it's not level. I didn't notice that when I walked in.
Oh, it's definitely not level.
No, but I don't have that sense now. Isn't that strange?
Really?
There's something about
I've evened it out.
you leveled it up. I bet that took a lot of cranking.
This is where we just stuffed everything that we're not using at the moment. Yeah.
Project.
The storage area of
It
doom.
looks to me like it's overloaded.
What?
The wine rack, except I think
It's
it's too
overloaded.
full.
Should
It's
we fix that?
overloaded.
We should fix that.
It's dangerous to have too much weight on that wine rack.
That's what I thought.
Should we have a barbecue in the garden and fix that?
Yes.
Yay!
Yes.
All right.
Garden barbecue. Grill master? Where are you? Oh, there you are. What should we bring down to cook? Food? Okay, great. What do you want to drink?
What do we have?
We have beer, we have wine, we have stuff for Moscow mules, we have stuff for beer? Okay, good. This barbecue has gotten very serious.
Is it going?
That is a very tasty looking grill.
Tasty looking veggie.
You look like a cat that is waiting next to the can opener for food.
I'm watching.
And after it was done correctly, it was the I had to cut the sink, the hole for the sink, and so the what's the name of it? The
Countertop?
countertop was good, was fitting good, but I was like,
Well, it got pretty dark, but we had a very nice barbecue. And we've all gone very quiet. I think we're all tired. Are you guys tired?
We're tired.
Is it time to crash?
We're tired.
Been
We
long down the
traveled.
train.
Oh. Do you have a nice barbecue though?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Delicious veggie burgers.
Mmm. Oh, it's dark. I'm like a vampire. Well, anyway, I think that's the end of the day for all of us here. So before we all crash, I'm just gonna remind you guys to please do subscribe. What are you? Someone's creeping in. Wow,
I'm watching you. Subscribe.
that's even more scary. And well,
You still didn't do. Subscribe.
now that you're all terrified, I will just say, yeah, subscribing does. Oh wow, I can't see. I'm blind. Ah. Please subscribe. It helps a lot. Okay, bye.